Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, assistant teacher of mathematics, morning shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic, elementary mathematics book, page number 76 and 77. This is lecture number 6 and HW number 5. Okay, dear the students, now let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve some fill in the blanks from page number 76. Here, one number fill in the blanks is 20 notes of 10 taka equals to dash taka. 20 notes of 10 taka equal to dash taka. That means if we take 20 notes of 10 taka, then total taka, how much total taka will be? Here, one notes equal to 10 taka because the notes of 10 taka notes, so that one notes equal to 10 taka. Now how many notes here? 20 notes. Therefore 20 notes equal to, it will be multiplication 10 multiplication 20 taka. Now 10 multiplication 20 equal to 200. That means 20 notes of 10 taka equal to 200 taka. So we'll write here 200. Now, two number 5 notes of 20 taka equals to how many taka? 5 notes. Total 5 notes. 20 taka. 1 note, 2 note, second note, 1, 2, 3, 4 number note and 5 number note. Total 5 notes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 notes of 20 taka. Now, if we add, then it will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. And 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Dear the students, we can find it also by multiplication. Total notes 5 and 1 notes equal to 20 taka. So 5 20s are also 100. That means 5 notes of 20 taka, this is equal to 100 taka. Now 4 number 10 notes of 50 taka. 1 notes equal to 50 taka. Total number of notes is 10. So 10 notes is equal to 50 multiplication 10. 1 notes equal to 50 taka. Therefore, how many notes here? 10 notes. 10 notes equal to 50 multiplication 10 taka. And 50 multiplication 10 is equal to 5 ones are 5 and another 2 0 we have to give. That means 500 taka. 10 notes of 50 taka is equal to 500 taka. Now 10 notes of 100 taka equals to what? If we multiply 10 with 100, then we can easily get it. And 10 hundreds are 1000. Here 1 ones are 1 and another 1, 2, 3. 3 0 you have to take. So it will be 1000 taka. 10 notes of 100 taka equals to 1000 taka. Now 8 number dash notes of 20 taka equals to 100 taka. Dash notes of 20 taka equals to 100 taka. For making 100 taka, we have to take how many 20 takas note? We have taken one notes, we have taken another one notes, we have taken another one notes. Now how much taka? 20 plus 20 equal to 40, 40 plus 20 equal to 60. We have taken another notes. Now 60 plus 20 equal to 80. If we take another one notes, then it will be 100 taka. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. That means for making 100 taka, we have to take how many 20 taka notes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we divide 100 by 20, if we divide 100 by 20, then we also can get it. 5 20s are 100. That means answer will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 notes. 5 notes of 20 taka equals to 100 taka. Now 9 number, dash notes of 100 taka equals to 500 taka. Dash notes of 100 taka. For making 500 taka, we have to take how many 100 takas note? We have taken one note, we have taken another one note, we have taken another one note. Now 300 taka. If we take another one note, then it will be 400 taka. And if we take another one notes, then it will be 500 taka. How many notes we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means if we take 5 notes of 100 taka, then it will be 500 taka. And if we divide 500 by 100, then it also will be 5. That means answer will be 5 notes of 100 taka equals to 500 taka. Now 11 number, dash notes of 1000 taka equals to 10,000 taka. Dash notes of 1000 taka equals to 10,000 taka. For making 10,000 taka, how many 1 takas note we have to take? If we divide 10,000 by 100, then we can easily get it. This is 10,000, and in this 1000 we can give 1 times. 1000 ones are 1000. If we subtract, then it will be 0. We have to take this 0. Now here we can give 0 times. 0 1000s are 0, 0 1000s are 0, and it will be 0. That means 10 notes. We have to take 10 notes for making 10,000 taka. So answer will be 10. 10 notes of 1000 taka equals to 10,000 taka. Okay, dear students, now we will solve some addition from page number 77. Page number 77, question number 2, sub number 1. 5 paisa plus 5 paisa plus 5 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 2 taka. We have to add. Five paisa plus 5 paisa plus 5 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 2 taka. This is paisa part and this is taka part. At first we have to add this paisa part. Here 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 10 plus 5 equal to 15 and 15 plus 25, this is equal to 40 again. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 25, this is equal to 40. That means total will be 40 paisa. 40 paisa, and in taka parts 2 taka here exist. Dear students, at the time of telling, normally at first we will say taka, then we will say paisa. So it will be 2 taka 40 paisa, and we need not to give plus sign. Now we will write it 2 taka 40 paisa. This is the answer. 2 taka 40 paisa. We will solve now two numbers. Question is 10 paisa plus 1 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 2 taka plus 10 taka. At first I am writing the question. $10 paisa plus 1 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 2 taka plus 10 taka. This is paisa part and this is taka part. Now 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 and 11 plus 50, this is equal to 61. Again 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 50 61. That means 61 paisa. Now in taka part 2 taka plus 10 taka. 2 plus 10, this is equal to 12. 12 taka. Okay. At the time of telling, at first we will say taka, then say paisa. That means this will be 12 taka 61 paisa, and need not to give addition sign. So it will be 12 taka 61 paisa. Answer 12 taka 61 paisa. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve three numbers. Here three number is 25 paisa, 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 10 taka plus 50 taka. $25 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 10 taka plus 50 taka. At first we will add paisa part here. 25 plus 50, this is equal to 75, and 75 plus 50, this is equal to 125. If we add these three numbers, 50 plus 50 plus 25, then it will be 125. 125 paisa. Plus in taka part here 10 taka plus 50 taka equal to what? 10 plus 50, this is equal to 60 taka. 60 taka. Dear students, in paisa part here 125 paisa exists. You know that 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. Again I am telling 100 paisa equals to 1 taka. So that we will take 100 paisa from this part and we have add this 100 paisa with this 60 taka, and since 100 paisa equal to 1 taka, so we have to add 1 taka with it and we have to subtract 100 from this. Since we will take 100 paisa from here, so 125 minus 100, this is equal to 25 paisa. Only 25 paisa will be exist here. And now we have to add this 100 paisa with this part. This is taka part, and we have to convert this 100 paisa into taka. 100 paisa is equal to 1 taka. So we have to add 1 with 60. Now 60 plus 1, this is equal to 61 taka. In bracket we will write, since 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. Now at first we will say taka part, then paisa part. This is 61 taka 25 paisa. 61 taka 25 paisa. Answer 61 taka 25 paisa. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's CW. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 5. This is SW number 5, and topic of the SW is page number 76, question number 1, sub number 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. This is 7 and this is 9. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 of page number 76, question number 1, sub number 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Now another topic is page number 77, question number 2, sub number 2 and 3. Okay, dear students, I hope you will be able to do your SW properly, do your SW and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.